Welcome to Turkey, Istanbul.
Full disclosure, this is our first time ever in Istanbul, Turkey.
The airport, IST, the architecture is gorgeous. Even though you might be a little intimidated to travel to other countries because you don't know the language, you don't have to worry about that. Most of the signs are not only in Turkish, but it's also in English.
And everything went off without a hitch, from getting off the plane to going through customs, all the way down to the baggage.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice. Holy shit. It looks better than the pictures.
Outside look dope. Card.
Here.
Oh man.
Alright, let's go see what else. Okay. Bathroom with a bidet.
Ooh, we got shower door. Just got a random couch right there. Ooh, this is nice. Why? Baby, what's my pet peeve? Tacky ass blinds. It's the kitchen. Dishwasher. Is there water in here? I guess this is water. I have no idea what this is. Damn, they need to change the blinds. That's the only downfall so far.
Who don't know how to fuck with blinds?
They're killing me softly.
Yo, like, these is probably the worst blinds I've ever seen in my life. Damn!
What? What? Oh, snaps. Dang, we got a big balcony. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Big. Oh, look, and we got the building right there. The one that I was saying is so pretty.
This view is crazy. It took us a long time to get out here. The taxi fare was a lot more than we thought, but this is good. Save the fare, and then it just adds on all of this extra shit.